Hey guys, how's it going? See, I'm gonna keep this video entirely raw and pure because this video is all about skincare and how my skin went from being this to this luscious looking, amazing, beautiful, silky smooth skin. So let's basically dive straight to the video. Okay, so just before starting out the video, I need to say, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, I'm Raven D'Souza, and in this channel I make videos about men's fashion, lifestyle, grooming, health, fitness, motivation, and many more other topics. All you need to do is just come, click that subscribe button and join this small group of family, because I'm pretty sure that whatever videos I make is definitely going to help you out in some or another way. So let's directly dive straight to the video. So I've been wanting to make this video for a very long time, but the only thing I was waiting for is to see how this product actually works on my skin, and then I would actually recommend it to you guys in general. So as you saw from the intro, my skin just went from being this massive, gigantic face, a bed for acne in general, like an acne sort of loving skin, to being entirely acne prone. So this was me like a year ago, severe acne, and now this is me now with my acne like literally clearing out by just using these products. I've been using Lumin for I would say at least 3 months now, and the difference is just massive. And I would recommend Lumin to every single person watching this video who actually has acne issue. This will really help you out. And also, it's actually really simple when it comes to getting Lumin products. You just need to go, make sure like you fill the questionnaire in the very beginning, and then afterwards Lumin recommends you what sort of regime you need to use or you need to basically get used to. Also, Lumin gives you a 30-day free products for 30 days. You just have to pay for shipping. So all you need to do is they want you guys to actually try those products, and in 30 days you will definitely see a difference. So basically I use the classic maintenance bundle, okay? It comes with 3 Lumin products. First is the Exfoliating Rub, then I have a charcoal cleanser, and then I have the moisturizing powder. Simple products. People always have this illusion that when it comes to skincare, you need to use so many products in order to keep your skin healthier and basically prone from everything else which happens and affects your skin. But that's not the case. And also, on top of Lumin, I use this another product. It's known as it's a clarifying serum, but it's from the brand Tommy. This has also changed my skincare game in general, okay? And now I'll basically just dive in how these products work and what sort of ingredients these products have, and then afterwards I'll just basically take you guys for a skincare tutorial and show you how I basically go through my skincare routine. It's really simple. It just takes around 5 to 10 minutes, and you just need to do it twice a day. That's easy. You can at least take 20 minutes a day out just for your skin. That wouldn't harm or wouldn't do anything at all. Just 20 minutes, that's all you need. 20 minutes a day. I mean, that's nothing when you go to sleep. So basically, let's start with the charcoal cleanser. It has one main ingredient which is known as the Centella asiatica. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but that's how it's known as. This basically acts as an antioxidant which hydrates your skin and which also helps your skin to just be prone to all the other things which sort of affects your skin. So this is basically a game changer. It's a charcoal cleanser. It's basically a face wash, but in a sort of stronger form than other face washes. And then comes the exfoliating rub. So this is another crucial thing, because many people, while they do their skincare, they basically just ignore the fact that they need to exfoliate their skin at least twice or thrice a week. So this is also very crucial. So you just need to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 to 4 times. That's the maximum limit you need to stay on. So yes, this actually has lactic acid, which breaks all the dead skin from your face and basically helps you in giving a smoother skin. And it also has a little bit of castor oil in it, which basically just prevents your skin from aging in the future. So basically, if you're using this a lot, it will help your skin to age really slowly, which basically means that you'll just keep looking younger even when you're... Then comes a moisturizing balm. See, basically when you're out there and if your skin isn't moisturized enough, it basically produces oil, and then that in turn leads to you having an oily skin. So to prevent having an oily skin, you need to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized just from your skin to be preventing to produce oil and then make your skin oily instead. So the main reason why you have an oily skin is that you don't moisturize your skin enough. So if you use this moisturizing balm, it'll just help you from your skin just leaving out oil and just making your skin oily. And then last but not the least, this serum from Thank Tommy. Actually, I should have made another video, but as this includes in my skincare routine with Lumin, I want to basically include this serum. This just helps from your skin from aging, and also because I had a lot of acne, I still have the pores remaining. So this helps in clearing out the pores and also balancing the sort of texture on the skin. So if I have a lot of pores, it just covers it up, and then afterwards it balances the texture, and this is a savior. So yes, so that's basically all the products and the description about it. Now I'll take you to my skincare routine and just show basically what I do in order to keep my skin silky smooth. So let's go. Alrighty, so basically how it works is really simple, okay? It's a 3-step routine. All you need to do is first you need to cleanse your face with the charcoal cleanser. Then you actually exfoliate your face with the exfoliator, and then afterwards you just apply your moisturizing balm, and then you're set for the day. And you do this early in the morning while you're having a shower, and then afterwards before going to bed at night. So as I've worked out, and I mostly work out at night, I'm going to do it before sleeping. So first I'll use the charcoal cleanser. This is just amazing. Look at the texture. Just looks pure, looks like a pure natural made with ingredients. So just take a little bit, okay? It's a short dab. That dab. But firstly, you also need your face to be a little bit damp. So I'll just put a little bit of water on my face. So as you see, my face is bit damp wet. So what I'll do is I'll just rub this. So what you need to understand is while you're having a skincare routine, make sure to not use your palms at all. The only things you need to use are your fingers, because they are not harsher. Your palms are way more harsher than your fingers, and that might affect your skin in some or another way. So always make sure to just use your fingers. So as you see, the face is cleansed you can see all the dirt and all the dust which was actually built up on my skin is actually gone. But the main thing is there's still some dead skin cells on my skin, so I need to get rid of that. So for that, I will have to use the exfoliator. Just give me a sec. So that's the exfoliator. It's amazing. It has a good texture as well. As you see, I'll show you. It has the amazing charcoal texture in here. So this actually helps in taking out all your dead skin cells and give you a more brighter and good, better looking skin. It's the same thing. You just take a smaller dab and then afterwards rub it on your entire face and then just go with it. So now, as you may see, my skin is starting to look more brighter and even more fresher. So that means that it's purely well washed and it's clear of all the dust and stuff which was basically stuck on my skin throughout my entire day. Rather, might be me going out or just sitting in and the dust just builds up. Also, the oils in your skin sometimes oozes out and then that makes your skin oily as well. So that in turn, it just clears off the entire thing. So now comes the face serum. See, this is actually different. If you're on the beginner's pack, you just use the three main things: the charcoal cleanser, the exfoliator rub, and also the moisturizing balm. But I add an additional step by using this serum because this is just a game changer for me. So I would like to thank Tommy for making this amazing product, because this is basically just one massive life savior. So what you do is you use this droplet and then afterwards just add a few drops on your skin. So one goes on the forehead, one goes on the side down here, then one goes on your cheek, one the other one, and then one at the bottom. That's it. This is actually more than enough. And then afterwards you just go same thing, rub it properly. Again, make sure to only use your fingers and not your palms. So the serum is well applied. Now you need to make sure that when the serum is actually a little bit wet on your skin, use the moisturizing balm as well. Simple. Take one dab, just put like a touch so that it's evenly spread on your face, rather than you putting more cream on one side and more on the other. And then after, the same thing, use your fingers again. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my entire skincare routine and also the review for Lumin. As you see that just by doing these 3 steps in basically 2 months time, my skin has just gone to a next level, and I wouldn't stop doing this at all. For you, Lumin gives you 1 month of free subscription. As I told you, gives you free products. You just need to pay for the shipping, and after that, if you're happy with the product, it goes with a subscription basis, or you can just keep on buying every month or so. So that's all, and that's all for today's video as well. As you see, it only took me like less than 10 minutes. And if you're someone who wants to take your skincare routine to a next level, you need to at least invest 10 to 20 minutes of your day just on your skin, and that's it. So that's basically for me for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Also comment down below your suggestions as well. That's all for me for this week. I'll see you guys next week.